हेलो एस्पायरेंट्स, अ वार्म ग्रीटिंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। मैं अभिषेक पवार आज फिर आपके सामने लेकर आया हूँ जियोग्राफी के 50 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस MCQs जो आपके लिए हर तरह के एग्ज़ाम्स में बी इट SSC CGL CHSL या फिर UPSC या स्टेट PSCs या जहाँ पे भी GS का जियोग्राफी वाला सेक्शन होता है वहाँ पे आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होने वाले हैं। ठीक है, तो आज के अपने इस वीडियो में हम 50 MCQs जो हैं वो स्टडी करेंगे जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होंगे। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से, विच इज़ विच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग स्टार्स इज़ नियरेस्ट टू द अर्थ। ऑप्शन ए सीरियस, ऑप्शन बी आर्कट्रस, ऑप्शन बी स्पाइका या फिर ऑप्शन डी Proxima Centauri, and the correct option is option D, Proxima Centauri. Now our next question is, who discovered Uranus? Option A Sir Isaac Newton, option B William Henry Fox Talbot, option C William Herschel या फिर option D Nicholas Copernicus, and the correct option is option C William Herschel. Next question is, the radiant energy of the sun is transmitted in the form of option A short waves, option B long waves, option C particles या फिर option D none of these, and the correct option is option A short waves. Next question is, the Tropic of Cancer passes through which one of the following countries? Option A North Sudan, option B Chad, option C Mali या फिर option D Yemen, and the correct option is option C Mali. Next question is, diamond ring, God's eye and Bailey's beads are the parts of which one among the following natural phenomena? Option A solar eclipse, option B aurora, option C lightning या फिर option D solar storm, and the correct option is option A solar eclipse. Now our next question is, what do you call the total system of parallels and meridians that form a network of intersecting lines? Option A geographic pattern, option B geographic arrangement, option C geographic grid या फिर option D geographic polygon, and the correct option is option C geographic grid. Next question is, the normal lapse rate of temperature of Earth's atmosphere drops to 0 degrees Celsius at the option A upper part of ionosphere, option B upper boundary of the tropopause, option C lower part of mesosphere या फिर option D upper boundary of the stratopause, and the correct option is option D upper boundary of the stratopause. Now our next question is, mist is formed as a result of option A condensation, option B circulation, option C evaporation या फिर option D sublimation, and the correct option is option A condensation. Now next question is, wide range and variability in rainfall, torrential in character, reversal of winds and uncertain arrival are the characteristics of option A westerlies, option B trade winds, option C monsoons या फिर option D anti-trade winds, and the correct option is option A westerlies. Now our next question is, the clouds extending from one side of horizon to other as a dark gray sheet having uniform base are called option A stratus clouds, option B cumulus clouds, option C cirrus clouds या फिर option D nimbus clouds, and the correct option is option A stratus clouds. Now up to the next question, which one of the following natural reasons is known as land of big games? Option A, temperature grassland. Option B, tropical monsoon region. Option C, hot desert region. या फिर option D, tropical savanna region. And the correct option is option D, tropical savanna region. Next question is, which of the following regions is responsible for lack of vegetation in the deserts? Option A, heavy volume of sands. Option B, absence of B horizon in the soil. Option C, high temperature. या फिर option D, lack of rainfall. And the correct option is option D, lack of rainfall. Next question is, which one of the following is the characteristic climate of tropical savanna region? Option A, rainfall throughout the year. Option B, rainfall in winter only. Option C, an extremely short dry season. या फिर option D, a definite dry and wet season. And the correct option is option D, a definite dry and wet season. Next question is, which one of the following is not an agent of metamorphism? Option A, heat. Option B, compression. Option C, decomposition. या फिर option D, solution. And the correct option is option C, decomposition. Next question is, grasses are almost absent in option A, tropical moist deciduous forest. Option B, tropical dry evergreen forest. Option C, tropical semi evergreen forest. फिर option D, tropical wet evergreen forest. And the correct option is option D, tropical wet evergreen forest. Next question is, the driest spot on earth is in the Atacama Desert, parts of which went without rain for 400 years. The Atacama is in option A, Africa. Option B, Asia. Option C, Canada. या फिर option D, South America. And the correct option is option D, South America. Next question is, a deep valley characterized by steep step-like slope is known as option A, U-shaped valley. Option B, blind valley. Option C, George. या फिर option D, canyon. And the correct option is option D, canyon. Next question is, which one of the following is not an agent of metamorphism? Option A, heat. Option B, compression. Option C, decomposition. या फिर option D, solution. And the correct option is option C, decomposition. Next question is, oil is found in petroliferous rock. Which one among the following structures demonstrates an ideal trap? Option A, horizontal structure. Option B, fault structure. Option C, synclinal structure. या फिर option D, anticlinal structure. And the correct option is option D, anticlinal structure. Next question is, which one of the following pairs of lakes is connected by Sioux Canal? Option A, Superior and Michigan. Option B, Superior and Huron. Option C, Huron and Ontario. या फिर option D, Huron and Erie. And the correct option is Superior and Huron. Next question is, Strait of Malacca separates option A, Sumatra and Malaysia. Option B, Java and Brunei. Option C, Sumatra and Java. या फिर option D, Malaysia and Brunei. And the correct option is option A, Sumatra and Malaysia. Next question is, which of the following countries is included in the Northwest Pacific Fishing Grounds? Option A, Norway. ऑप्शन बी कनाडा, ऑप्शन सी नेदरलैंड्स या फिर ऑप्शन डी जापान। एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी जापान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which among the following country is not a part of Scandinavia? Option A Norway, option B Finland, option C Sweden या फिर option D Denmark। and the correct option is option B Finland। Next question is which of the following regions of the world is most thickly populated? Option A East Asia, option B South Asia, option C Northwest Europe या फिर option D North and South America। and the correct option is option A East Asia। Next question is which of the following is the largest island? Option A Sumatra, option B Madagascar, option C Honshu या फिर option D Cuba। and the correct option is option B Madagascar। Next question is which of the following countries is the leading producer of iodine in the world? Option A Japan, option B USA, option C Chile या फिर option D China। and the correct option is option C Chile। Next question is the Appalachian coal fields, one of the important coal fields in the world, are located in option A China, option B Great Britain, option C USA या फिर option D Russia। and the correct option is option B Great Britain। Next question is which of the following Indian cities is not located on a river bank? Option A Agra, option B Bhagalpur, option C Bhopal या फिर option D Kanpur। and the correct option is option C Bhopal। Next question is India has a land boundary about dash kilometers? Option A 5200, option B 10,200, option C 15,200 या फिर option D 20,200। and the correct option is option C 15,200 kilometers। now next question is with which one of the following states Uttar Pradesh does not share its border? Option A Rajasthan, option B Punjab, option C Haryana या फिर option D none of these। and the correct option is option B Punjab। Next question is among the following union territories of India which one has the largest size? Option A Pondicherry, option B Lakshadweep, option C Daman and Diu या फिर option D Chandigarh। and correct option is option A Pondicherry which is now known as Puducherry। Next question is Imphal Basin surrounded by Manipur hills is a fine example of option A lacustrine plain, option B Loess plain, option C glacial plain या फिर option D alluvial plain। and the correct option is option A lacustrine plain। Next question is what is Kayal? Option A Terai plain, option B Ganges delta, option C Ragur of Deccan plateau या फिर option C lagoon of Kerala। and the correct option is option D lagoon of Kerala। Next question is which of the following is the main difference between the western and eastern Ghats? Option A height, option B continuity, option C proximity to the coast या फिर option D vegetation। and the correct option is option B continuity। Next question is which of the following rivers is famous for its fault valley drainage? ऑप्शन ए चंबल, ऑप्शन बी दामोदर, ऑप्शन सी गंडक या फिर ऑप्शन डी रामगंगा। एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी दामोदर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज in which one of the following states is Loktak Lake situated? Option A Sikkim, option B Himachal Pradesh, option C Manipur या फिर option D Meghalaya। And the correct option is option C Manipur। Next question is the second largest river basin in India is of the river। ऑप्शन ए ब्रह्मपुत्र, ऑप्शन बी नर्मदा, ऑप्शन सी कृष्णा या फिर ऑप्शन डी गोदावरी। एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी गोदावरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट शिपयार्ड इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए कोलकाता, ऑप्शन बी कोची, ऑप्शन सी मुंबई या फिर ऑप्शन डी विशाखापत्तनम। एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी कोची। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया experiences the maximum annual variation of rainfall? ऑप्शन ए मेघालय, ऑप्शन बी केरला, ऑप्शन सी राजस्थान या फिर ऑप्शन डी वेस्ट बंगाल। And the correct option is option C Rajasthan। Next question is in India the tropical savanna AW type of climate prevails largely in option A Rajasthan desert region, option B peninsular plateau region, option C Jammu and Kashmir region या फिर ऑप्शन डी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन। एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू रीजन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेचुरल वेजिटेशन refers to option A a plant community that has been left undisturbed over a long time, option B plant species which love and grow together, option C a protected area created by using contour bending या फिर option D all of the above। and the correct option is option A a plant community that has been left undisturbed over a long time। Now our next question is in which one of the following states is jute not significantly cultivated? Option A Assam, option B West Bengal, option C Odisha या फिर option D Andhra Pradesh। and the correct option is option D Andhra Pradesh। Our next question is rotation of crops is essential, option A for decreasing the quantity of proteins, option B for getting different kinds of crops, option C for increasing fertility of the soil या फिर option D for increasing the quantity of minerals। and the correct option is option C for increasing fertility of the soil। Now the next question is the most important item of export among marine products from India is option A crabs, option B lobsters, option C shrimps या फिर option D none of these। and the correct option is option C shrimp। Our next question is which of the following rock systems provides over 90% of the coal of India? Option A Vindhyan system, option B Dharwad system, option C tertiary system या फिर option D Gondwana system। and the correct option is option D Gondwana system। Now our next question is which one of the following states enjoys ideal conditions for the development of petrochemical industries? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Tamil Nadu. या फिर ऑप्शन डी उत्तर प्रदेश. एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, गुजरात. Our next question is, which of the following in India enlisted in the Montreux record? Option A, Keoladeo National Park. Option B, Chilka Lake. Option C, Astamudi Wetland. या फिर ऑप्शन डी, Hokera Wetland. And the correct option is option A, Keoladeo National Park. Our next question is, which one of the following sections of the Golden Quadrilateral Highway in India is the longest in terms of route distance? Option A, Delhi Kolkata. Option B, Kolkata Chennai. Option C, Chennai Mumbai. या फिर ऑप्शन डी, Mumbai and Delhi. And the correct option is option B, Kolkata Chennai. Our next question is, the Grand Trunk Road connects option A, Kolkata and Mumbai. Option B, Delhi and Chennai. Option C, Kolkata and Amritsar. या फिर ऑप्शन डी, Tripura and Ludhiana. And the correct option is option C, Kolkata and Amritsar. Now the last question of our today's session is, National Waterway 1 connects option A, Allahabad and Haldia. Option B, Sadia Dhubri. Option B, Kollam Kottapuram. फिर option D, Kakinada Puducherry. And the correct option is option A, Allahabad and Haldia. So this ends our series of 50 most important questions from geography. We will keep it going, and our next section will cover 50 most important questions from history. So be connected with this channel, and those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe this channel so that we can bring you these types of important MCQs which is gonna help you in your examination preparation in a very well manner. Thank you and keep supporting. Thanks.